Hey guys, my name is Davin Garcia, and in English class I've been reading To Kill a Mockingbird, like as I have right here. And it's an amazing story, and with Scouts and Gems adventures and Maycomb and stuff like that. And in this video I'm gonna be doing a funny skit I just made, like only from chapters 1 through 11. I haven't like read the rest of the chapter yet, but like I will be reading soon. So like right now this is gonna be part 1, but sooner or later it's gonna be part 2. So like, hope you guys enjoy watching my funny skits of chapter 1 through 11 on To Kill a Mockingbird. So, peace.
Oh no! It's the Radley place! Run, Jim! Run! The guy has a gun! Wait for me! My pants is stuck! Oh no! It's a mad dog on the loose! Oh, somebody save me!
It's okay, fellas. I'll take it from here.
Die, you son of a biscuits! Hi, Mr. Boss! Don't you say hey to me, you ugly girl! You say good afternoon, Mr. Boss! Mr. Bowles, why do you have to be so mean to me? It's because you don't say, hey, Mr. Bowles, that is disrespectful, okay? I will have to report you. And you, Chip, I will report you to school about what you did in your grades and stuff like that. What are you doing, Jim? I'm just gonna destroy her car after what she said to us. Jim, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Young lady, apologize to Mr. Ball after what you and Jem did last night to her garden. But Atticus, Mr. Balls was talking smack about you and talking smack about us. I mean, what are we supposed to do?
You too, Scott. You gotta apologize to Mr. Bowles right now.
No. Oh, Daddy! Oh, stop it! Okay, I'm sorry. You better apologize, sir, young lady. Oh, stop hitting me.
The end.